onto Belchas Highway.
Bitch, don't tell me how to run my life. I don't know where this motherfucker taking me, but I'm up in the fucking hood and shit. Know what I'm talking about? Had to get the guide out. Know what I'm talking about? Fuck it. I'm a ride today. I don't care if it's in somebody's fucking front yard. If you see me, just wave. What we do to them Honda boys over here, we send them fucking packing.
If you see me, just wave, nigga.
You better just wave, nigga. Take your ass over there to the fucking Honda tent, nigga. Thank you. This fucking girl right here is fucking crazy. Yeah, this motherfucker right here. He need a fucking check.
If you see me, just
This
wave,
nigga need, yeah, oh yeah, just wave, nigga. Just wave at him. If you see him, just wave.
Hey, baby, you can at least wear a fox top or something when you kick our ass. You ain't gotta wear a going out top. That's a Friday night top you out here whipping our ass in. You can at least wear a fox. Shit. Damn. Yeah, we're hot, but you ain't gotta kick us our ass in a Friday night top. Shit. Damn. At least wear a fox or something. Maybe that's my problem. I need to get one of those. Shit. I might need it. Shit. What?
I waved like 5 times, you didn't wave back.
Baby, I'm trying to hang the fuck on. That's why I said when you see me, you just wave. I ain't